Welcome students. In this example, I want to introduce you to different logic, right? This kind of pattern, how we print on console, right? I want to introduce you to what's the logic behind this, right? Right. Okay, let's move into coding part, right? This is my last example. I want to actually I hope to add new class. Name this to number pattern. Number pattern, right? Number pattern one. Make this class public. Don't worry about that, right? Now I want to create one method public void pattern print. Right? This is my method. Now I want to introduce you to this kind of pattern print. Can you imagine how many for loops you need? First, you need one for loop for decorating all the things, right? That actually we use maximum number is 9, right? 9 is the maximum number. You can use 8, 7 like that, but you can't use 10, 11, right? We use it also possible, but it is not like this. We use one digit as one number. That time maximum number is 9, right? For we use one for loop 0 to 9, less than no equal 9. Actually we use 1, right? Reason is I want to print the value. 1 is need, 9 also need, right? That's why I use 9. Then how many iterations will run this for loop? This is inner for loop. This will 9 times, right? Less than no equals 1. So 9 times run, right? Can you imagine how many outer for loop we need? First for loop we need for space, right? Space number, space count should decrease by 9 to 1 or 8 to 0, right? 8 to 0 or 9 to 1 in this example, right? Anyhow, your space will decrease. Then you have to print until your maximum number is one for loop and another for loop, this part decrementing value 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 like that, right? Then we need inner for loop, 3 inner for loops, right? Okay, first part we use this for loop for space, right? How many spaces we need? In first time we need 9 spaces. Use 1 2. It is easy. Right? In first time we need 9 spaces. Second time we need 8 spaces. 7, 5 like that. Otherwise first time need 8 spaces and last time no spaces. It also possible, right? But in here I use first time 9 spaces and last as 1 space. I should use minus I. We should control second for loop from this for loop. Otherwise always keep 9 spaces, right? You can see console write only spaces. This is for spacing, right? I add one more for loop for what? For this incrementing value 1 to 9, 1 to 8, 1 to 7, 1 to 6, 1 to 5, 1 to 4, like that. I use increment for loop. Right. I want to use 1 to some value, right? It is start from 1 to some value. Which value, right? Right. This will print right, not right line. You can see this for loop, content in this for loop and content in this for loop all will print in same line, right? Because we still didn't use the right line concept. No. Now we use J, right? We need one more for loop for decrementing value. Before that, I run this example and check what will be the result. Sorry, remove this one and make object from this class and access, oh sorry, class and access method with class object name, right? Now run, check, right. I add console.writeLine also here. Dot writeLine. Now check. We need one more for loop, right? Till then, right. Space part okay, incrementing part okay. Now I need decrementing part. Now need no need 9, right? 8, 7, 6, 5 like that. No need 8, 7, 6, 5 like that. No need 7, 6 like that. No need 2, just need 1. Just need 2 and 1. Just need 3, 2, 1, right? For that, I make one more for loop before this console.writeLine, right? This also J. We can use J O, K O, whatever value, right? This int J is local to this port and this J is local to this port. This J and this J are completely different, right? Right. We need, actually in this example, this for loop iterate until this maximum value mean this is I, right? We need first value start from I minus 1, right? I minus 1. I mean this I, right? If this is 1, we should start 1 minus 1, 0. Right? Then check less than or equal. Less than or equal. Actually, this is decrementing, right? Decrementing, we have to use greater than or equal, right? What will be the execution limitation? Check that. Until 1, right? 1 is the last value, right? So check less than or greater than or equal 1, this one. Console.write what? We should use J. Okay, again check your condition. First J assign I minus 1. First I is 1, then j will be 0, right? Then check 0 greater than or equal 1, that is false. This will not run, right? Think about, now I is 2, right? Then I is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. Now j is 1. 1 is greater than or equal 1, yeah, that is 2. Then this will execute, right? Then I is 2 mean this second iteration, then 1 is split, right? Your program will success. Yeah, completely work. And think about this. Think mean study the logic, right? You can make the debug point and study the logic, right? Logic is the most important part when you are learning some programming language. C# is a programming language, right? You are in later lesson you will be work with this time you are learning C#, right? C# concept and programming concept, right? Both. Okay, that's it for this lesson, and you should commit your changes, right? Okay, that's it for this lesson. Let's move to next part.